How to change usernames on Windows 10. It's relatively easy to change a Windows 10 username in enterprise environments, but it's still best to proceed with caution as this change can impact permissions, system access, and overall functionality. In this video, we'll briefly discuss how to change usernames on Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The basics of Windows 10 usernames. In enterprise settings, managing Windows 10 usernames is key for system organization and security. Changing a username might seem simple, but it requires careful handling to avoid issues with file permissions, access, or business application functionality. Windows 10 supports two main user account types: Microsoft accounts and local accounts. Microsoft accounts connect to cloud services like OneDrive and Outlook, while local accounts are better for users who value privacy and prefer storing data directly on the device. How to change Windows 10 usernames. Windows 10 offers a few different ways to change your local account name, so you can choose the method that best matches your comfort level and experience. Method 1. Windows Settings. Open the Start menu and click the Settings icon. Go to Accounts. In the left pane, click Your Info. Under Account Settings, select Manage My Microsoft Account. Sign in with your local account details if prompted. Click Edit Profile. Enter your new name in the Display Name field. Click Save to confirm the change. Method 2. Control Panel. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. In the Control Panel window, click User Accounts. Select Change Account Name under the User Accounts section. Enter your new name in the New Account Name field. Click Change Name to save your changes. Method 3. Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click the result and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following script and press Enter. When updating your username in Windows 10, it's a good idea to follow a few simple best practices. Keep it short and easy to remember. Avoid using personal details and stick to letters and numbers. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to change usernames on Windows 10, linked in the description below.